Hey, it's Marissa. Just wanted to say hello. I ended the new year with 14 smalls, 5 by 7 smalls. And so now I can't wait to start with bigger projects. But this one over here, this one is a painting, a winter landscape painting that I'm doing in my workshop, the Winter Expressive Landscape Workshop. Which started yesterday. Workshop, it's a step-by-step workshop. I usually start with a nice outline of the image that I'm trying to paint, and then from the outline I block it in with mid-tone. It all blocked in. I work from there, increasing contrast and adding highlights at the end and building everything. Anyway, I just wanted to say hello, Happy New Year again, and I'll talk to you again soon. Sweet out. Bye for now.